Breaking news. Dancehall artist Bencil Clickstar received death threat from an unknown individual because Bencil is accused of having sexual intercourse with the unknown individual baby mother. Jaja. All of that and more after this.
Yo, brother man, I'ma tell you this, dog. You hear me answer Chaddy? Me go want you stop text my to man phone. You hear me I tell you youth. And take this any way you want take it, bro. Cause you make me have there, so I have money in things for you and Chaddy. Dog, bad man, low up my woman youth. You hear me I tell you youth. You hear me I tell you Chaddy. Cause you don't know who they are and fuck around in a Chaddy. You hear me I tell you youth. Pussy, you hear me I tell you bad man. Low, me woman youth, me murder your dog. You hear me I tell you youth. You there, so make me and my woman in things because of you, bad man. I watch how go on, bro.
Roman ahead, man. I know say one, but the chat me represent for Chaddy Murray TV. Chatter man, no, you know his style.
Me no know why the girl them love me so. Me no know why them see make them love me so. The girl a road wanna rush me so. Yeah.
From 2012, Bencil a girl is here until now. Yo, dog does not take away one girl. Anyway, still. So as me saying at the intro, Bencil and this unknown artist are I don't think he couldn't be an artist. This unknown person, Zane, they back and forth on the internet and Bencil affair provide him receipt them and people are bugger things. Me I gotta explain the voice note there because actually the hombre did forward back and say, no Bencil, me not try to murder you. Me did not think about it, but me not bother. Me find out to link them. People, we are going to look at some other topics and then we forward back to this one. Zane, so stay true to the end of this review to find out what really going on.
Banco Santander, my God, who got Janko Tack, Bankiers, got the clap, the shot man, Robert San Square, Natty.
So Najeerii, aka Panto Santam Plane. Get a BENZ, a dog by a BENZ. Me not tell a lie, me proud of the dog. You see me? Even though when me looking at the comment section, me see a bag of haters, me see a bag of people that talk about say, yo, why him never buy a house before this and that? Yo, one question me want to ask them. House can drive, you know? House can drift? You see me? House can have two girls on the back seat? Yo, do you think dog? Gone from pan to some template to fat BENZ with license plate. Do you think youth?
She said the receipt on me inbox. This girl, he said she believe now my flips and
till we start by the BENZ them. Wait till Flippa rise up the big check them.
Look at the monitor and tell me if you see something wrong with that video here. Because why? Just comment in the comment section. Zane?
We're ready guys with the #1 casino. Right.
Casino. Baby, come over. So come on, you want me that song.
Don't get me wrong, you know. Me not try insinuate nothing. But me just say, is Casino a good role model for these kids? Comment in the comment section and let me know. Well, at least we know say Casino are fans.
Superman, you want me that song. $1 million in a main upstock.
That's why I just do my thing myself. Just like with the boat situation. Me talk about it. You know when I go back to America, come I hide $1 million US. Them they think a joke? Alright.
A lot of people is saying that Flippa Maffia should never do that. He might incriminate himself. But then again, Flippa Maffia do the crime and indeed do the time. So I think legally that money is good. Me no know, me no a liar. But Flippa Maffia was being interviewed on Jeffrey Let's Be Honest podcast. And I guess Flippa Maffia got very honest. Because me don't know how and why him really revealed that, you know. But you know, Flippa is always a mafia. No pun intended. Then again, yo, you know say Flippa is a man where you know him floss and them thing there. Anyway, Flippa Maffia cleared up that and this as well. You know the little Movado incident where if you're watching the previous report you wouldn't see what really going on. But it was said that Movado style Flippa Maffia on the recent staging of New Rules concert held in Mount Vernon. How was that there? I never know. US. I don't think New York. Anyway.
My fans, as I tell you, me and Vado good. You understand me? I have to take some responsibility. I have the opportunity to talk to him. I never tell him because two people are happy to see me and him pull me left, pull me right. So by the time me if catch up with him, I got the stage and I send somebody to go talk to him and him say, you understand where I come from? So it's just a misunderstanding. And that's soft, Virgin. Bigger than that, Virgin. That's where I come from, man. I'm glad I'm there road. Me happy. Me want the happiest, man. So me can't worry about that. I'm mad. I'm going to slide off of this thin line here. For unnecessary thing because true. I don't like move out of the box me or lip me. I don't like that, Virgin. I don't like him say, yo, come off of my stage. The God good, man.
And you what take what I say wrong, Chaddy. I say come like you come me like a murder you want me to murder you. I never tell you say me go murder you bad man, sir. You bad man.
Me know who listen this don't have amnesia. And me know on the hearing at the beginning when me play the voice note and the umbre say him a go murder Bencil and a bag of things. No, it look like I don't know what I go on. Bencil, take time with them you know. Anyway, he dog change up him mouth. Him change him style. Him say, yo, Bencil, I never murder me. I go murder you. Me say, if or what? Yo, some foolishness. Hear me I say. Me I go play out the full video. Me could get the full understanding. But people, not because me I laugh off of the situation right now. It's really a serious situation. Because apparently, when me watch the whole video where Bencil attack and I explain himself, remember people, there's a lot of side to a lot of story. But the story sound true. To me, Bencil have the evidence supported by the voice note them, by what him say. So people, I don't know where Bencil and this female have. I don't know if Bencil and this female was, but apparently this man feel like say Bencil and him female there. Bencil and him baby mother, him woman there. You know said the man beat up the woman. And meanwhile the man a beat up the woman people. Me not talk some simple beat up in a man. Me hear the woman in the background in the voice what a ball, And that's why me never to gimmicks out this again is like is a serious matter. Because me hear the woman in the background a ball like it had just done, deal with her a way. And the man take up him phone and a message Bencil and say hello woman and this and that. No, him have to get page. No, me nah say Bencil it page me now. You see me? I don't know that me there me yard. But when me I say if Bencil page him definitely forget page. Him not fear deal with a female like that. You see me? It's not right. And this is not, say I got some people in the comment section. And some girl clown, them a fight over. Nothing like that. Because according to Bencil, it look like Bencil and the girl every day. You see me? But it's just this umbre like him jealous and me no know. Yo, people, listen the video here.
Everybody will check in, No one are there for two talk neither, You see, I know to see what go on my side of the page on Instagram. No. I'm there for just address some things to call. There are some boy that beat up the girl them, And them beat up the girl them too and next man fuck them girl. You see? And furthermore, you don't know, you go to the ladies them out there. You don't want to make no boy a beating out neither. You see me? In real life. And some boy a waste man. You see? Watch it. Boy they send one voice note to my phone. And he send me a voice note and a beat up in my reason why I address this. When I listen to the voice note and I hear the girl a ball in it. You see me? What's the boom? So I really look on it and I say, yo. The dog send me a check. So that means saying all him girl and I beat up him girl and send me a voice note. And say anyway him see me. See it? I watch you now people. See them boy you know, a little boy them. Yeah. I'm gonna broke him foot them and I'm gonna apologize. I'm gonna apologize to him baby mother. And I'm gonna apologize to him click them. You see me? Yeah man, I'm gonna apologize to our friend them too. All of them. You see it? Yeah. So now I want nobody, you know. As I say, you know, people, you don't know work already, you know, activity, you know. Ever active, alright? I'm going to play the voice note. I want to listen to the voice note. I'm going to play the voice note. And the voice note is an exclusive voice note. You see it? Because this not nothing to do with song, you know. I want to know any idea. When you don't know, we can turn anything in our music, see you see it? Yeah, but music I not pray right now. Because this way beyond. And you know, so the little pussy they see me at one club. And the boy see me at one club. Friend party. And you never know how him look. And the boy goes, boom, son. Beat up him girl again in a party. When him beat up a girl in a party, when everybody rush him and so forth, him ball and run go for one part. Get to find out, and me him forward at the party for. But him end up beating girl, right? So you see them boy on a style. Them boy they are waist man. Big waist man, girl clown. Furthermore, the woman never want him. You see it? Yeah. I'm going to play the voice note here. I'm going to make him hear. I want to just hear something real quick.
I never told him that you be blowing up my phone. That's a lie, Bencil. That is a damn lie. He got mad about when you comment under the picture that one time, and then when I comment a fire emoji under your song, and then you responded back. I never told him that you be blowing up my phone. That's a lie, Bencil. That is a damn lie. He got mad about when you comment under the picture that one time, and then when I comment a fire emoji under your song, and then you responded back. And I said, that's what Bencil do. He respond back to his supporters when they comment on his pictures. That's what he got mad for. I never told him that you blow up my phone. I never said that.
I simple I try make you know say yo stop message and call my woman Chaddy. You hear that and she don't make you know so she in a bumbuck like relationship Chaddy and you violate my bumbuck like relationship man. And you take what I say wrong Chaddy. Me say come like you come like a murder you want me to murder you.
So you hear how some man act tough and chat tough, and then I go so boom, so I try to beg it out and ball it out. I'm going to play back the voice note and want to listen. See what I say?
Buck like relationship Chaddy and you violate my bumbuck like relationship man. And you take what I say wrong Chaddy. Me say come like you come like a murder you want me to murder you. Me never tell you say me ever murder you bad man sir. Tell you bad man. Hello, me woman you, me murder your dog. You hear me I tell you. And they say make me a woman in a things because of you, bad man. Watch how go on, bro. You, me murder your dog. You hear me I tell you. And they say make me a woman in a things because of you, bad man. Watch out.
So when you hear the voice note and you hear she make nice in the voice note, no, man, play it again. Remember him saying, he never say man murder me, you know. I want to listen, you know.
Relationship, man.
After this,
and you take what I say wrong, Chaddy. Me say come like, you come like a murder you want me to murder you. Me never tell you say me ever murder you bad man, sir. Tell you bad man. Hello, me woman you, me murder your dog. You hear me I tell you. And they say make me a woman in a things because of you, bad man. Watch how go on, bro. You, me murder your dog. You hear me I tell you. And they say make me a woman in a things because of you, bad man. Watch how go on, bro. You hear me I say. Furthermore, me and my woman are deep business and thing, bro. You know if you come in at that bad man. A bomb buckler to man phone, you hear me at? Yo, brother man, let me tell you this dog. You hear me as a Chaddy? I don't want you to stop text my bomb buckler to man phone, you hear me I tell you. And take this any way you want, take it bro, cause you make me up there, so I'm your money and things for you and Chaddy. Dog, bad man, love no man youth, you hear me I tell you. You hear me I tell you Chaddy, cause you don't know who they are bomb buckler and fuck around in a Chaddy, you hear me I tell you. Pussy, hear me I tell you Batman. Hello. I'm a big girl for you, Batman. Auntie, and the girl there, brother. I'm a big girl for you. You don't even know I go on at the party, you just hear say me big girl Batman. Carry me and carry go to the door to talk to her, brother, and she don't want to go to the door, brother. And her heels drop her Batman. Big off no youth, we know about, we know about. I'm to the youth, dog.
People, so we don't get to click, you know. And we're not going to say too much on the life either. You hear that? You see me? Yeah, man. And we say address, we just come to address something differently. And big up to everybody out there. China came, and everything a prank, you know. And you don't know the internet sometimes. We see people are dead. Same like how you hear the girl I met nice. In a device note. And everybody will feel like a prank same way. And the same way the pussy could have killed a girl. Kill the girl and left her son without a mother. You see me? Because the boy you don't care about nothing, you know. The boy a waste man. So I had an idea, them things I want to get in our head. I want to get the moral of everything when we play forward upon this. Because you see, sometimes we have to send a message to you, you know. We have to send a message to the one that are conscious and the one that wake up. Because sometimes when we're younger, we usually do fuck, you hear that? But we have to wake up and we have to do something different and know say, here what. At the end of the day, a whole heap of monster out there. And we can't make a youth live among some monster out there said way too. So we have some bigger monster. Have to make sure so we clear up some monster. Because corruption real. You hear that? Yeah. I want to do the right thing. And watch out, you know, stop yourself, you know. Try remember that, you know, stop right yourself. You're going to fall off our life right now. You see me? I want to just big up on yourself. I want to big up there. I want to big up the girl too, you know. That is it.
So people, that is it. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this topic, what you think about the previous topics we discussed as well. But I don't know still. We want to see this played out, you know, and I hope say it not go violent. But then again, I can't even hope that again because it don't go violent from start beat the lady. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And guess what? One way, any other way, the wrong way.
Girl, it's a deal. Some of them a fight for me heart, while some of them a fight for me wallet. For me wallet. Me have girl where you breed and girl where soon breed and girl where plan for give me jacket.